All right, I gotta turn this adaptive sound control crap off. It is annoying. I can't make any videos in the car. You just hear it. So I'm gonna remove that right now. And to do that, we gotta drop the glove box. Like other GoPro. So you just pushed in on both sides and it just drops right out. You don't even need it there. There's two little hooks here. Just pull it right out. And I have to pop this side panel off here. Like so. We'll just throw that inside the glove box. All right, so you need an 8mm socket and a Phillips head screwdriver. You got an 8mm here, another 8mm here, Phillips, and I know there's a couple other Phillips here too. And just like that, just pull down a little bit and it pops right out. So I'm gonna leave that light hooked up. So what we need to pull out is this guy right here. See it with the gray box there? That's what we need to pull out. Just like so. It's going. All right, just put it back together and we're done. Voila. Just like that, we're done. 5-minute job, 4 Phillips screws, 2 8mm bolts. The screws are at the top, the bolts are at the bottom. Like I said, 5-minute job. Very easy. Good to go. If you enjoyed the video, please like it. Subscribe if you enjoy my content. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.